Namaste friends, I am Basu Kiran and welcome to your channel Layman's Stock Market. Here in this channel I will be providing you each and every single updates and the knowledge in layman's language so everybody can invest and track stock market in the easiest and simplest way. So now in this video we'll try to learn the basics and the fundamental of the stock market. As the name suggests, layman's stock market. I'll be explaining you very simple, very secured and trustful things about the market. You all have heard this stock market, the name stock market. What is the stock market? Many people say that gambling, many people say that that is a game, many people say that that is a investment plan. What is the right thing? Actually, because of the investing. So people invest in stock market and some of them gain from it and some of them lose from it. Because of this overview perspective, some of the people say it is a gambling, but it's not actually. It is actually a science, it is actually a calculated maths, it is actually a statistics, how you understand, how wisely you use your brain, so that gives you a return. So stock market is not at all a gambling, it is a very systematic economic progress will be taken. See, to understand any country's economy, the stock market is a reference they will take. So then how can somebody says that that is a gambling? Not at all. Only thing is you have to understand it, then only you can crack it. So that is the wise thing we have to do it here. So this channel is a right way to process that and verify it. So keep the update of this channel by subscribing it and bless us with your subscription so that we can provide enormous video and enormous knowledge about this market. So we will understand what is this market, how does it works. So stock market is a group of stocks where the exchange of the stocks happens. Now what is the stocks? So stocks are very simple. For example, you are starting a company. You have set up a company for some 100 rupees. So your company worth 100 rupees. Now you want to expand it. So you want some more money, another 100 rupees you want. What will you do? So you will ask a loan for a bank. That is the one option where you have to pay the interest for the bank. So that will be a huge thing. So instead of that, you can do one more thing. That is you can put your company into a stock market. So what is the stock market? So when I sell the company of my 100 rupees, I keep it in stock market where I ask the number of people to get part of my company. For example, I have invested 100 rupees and somebody else has invested 100 rupees. So now what is the percentage or the ownership? I am 50% owner of that company and somebody else who has invested 100 rupees. So that person is the 50% owner of the company. So think that now there are so many partners. So what I will do, I will give number of shares for them. So 100 rupees, each they also invested another 100 rupees. So every one single rupee is one share. So total number of the shares are 200 because now the value of the company has become 200 rupees. So I will distribute it in 200 shares. What happens now? 200 shares are there. So if I hold 100 shares, then I'll be 50% owner of the company. If I hold 200 per shares, then I'll be 100% owner of the company. So as I don't have that much money, I will distribute it into stock market. So those who take my stocks, those who take my company stocks, so they will be the part owner of the company. This is how the stock market is. Very simple. There are so many companies like Infosys, Reliance, TCS, L&T, many things. So now what we will do, we will take some shares of the company. That means we are a part of that company. We are a part owner of that company. So now we understand what is shares and what is stock market. Stock market is an exchange where a buyer and a seller of the stock exist. So now we'll understand what is this profit and loss, how we'll get. So after taking a company's share, so if the company progress, so then we will get profit. If the company makes loss, we will also bear the loss because we are the owners. We have to bear both the things, that is profit and both loss. So in this way, we have to understand the company, how is going to work, who are the people who is managing it, what is the future view of the company. So depending upon all these many things, which I will give you all the easy updates in the further videos, I will give you all the updates. So here just understand that whenever the company makes a profit, you will get a profit. That means your stock price will move up. Whenever the company makes loss, your stock price comes down. So this is how you get profit and loss. Once you invest in very, very good company, never you will face the loss. So that is the important thing. So sometimes people panic investment they will do. So they don't understand that simply they will invest, they will withdraw, they will invest, they will withdraw. So that is of no use. You should understand what you are going to do. So that is one thing. And as Warren Buffett says, you cannot become a rich in one single day or one single year. So it takes a lot of time. So try to be patient with the stock market. You will make 100% of the profit. So everyone out of 80%, out of 100, 80% people who have become rich, they have used stock market in some or the either way. So it is very, very hard without stock market to get super rich. So this is the one of the best way you can understand, you can deal with, you can bet with me also, so that you can make a very good lump sum money. Only thing is you should have some patience, you should always be ready to learn, so that with that zeal we will start this video patterns. So one by one video we will learn many things, so that you will get the complete understanding, and simultaneously you can start investing also. So why only stock market? Why not other things? Why not real estate? Why not gold? Why not any other things? Yes, you can do it, if not a problem. But only thing, why stock market? Because the returns in stock market are enormous. The average returns of a stock market itself is 12%. And nowadays, where do you get 12%? Even the real estate will give you 8 to 9%. Gold will sometimes give hardly 10 to 12% maximum. That too hardly. Some years, not every year. So this is the only investment where you can get 12% as an easiest average returns. That also I will tell you in one video how you can get easiest 12 returns. Then FD, bonds and all things, they are almost dropped down now. So 5 to 6% only we are getting right now. So this is the right time to enter the market, because India is going to bloom in another 20-30 years. You become the part of the economy, you invest in India and you will get return from the India. So you are a part of economy of India, so try to invest in stock market. So that I will explain how, and we will learn together. Fine. So hope you all have understood this video and you have liked this video. Try to bless us with your subscription, so that I can give you every single update, so that you can invest wisely. Dhanyavad.